I'm here with my Nostalgia, my mini skillet and noodle cooker, and I'm making some candy corn coated peanuts. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I've heard that if you eat candy corn and peanuts together, it's a really good combination because candy corn kind of tastes like honey. So when you eat it with peanuts, it kind of just tastes like honey roasted peanuts. So I thought it'd be interesting to see what happened if we tried to make candy corn coated peanuts. So I have some dry roasted peanuts here, and I'm just going to put these in this pot. That comes with the Nostalgia My Mini Skillet and Noodle Cooker. And I'm using a 1/4 cup of dry roasted peanuts. And I don't know how many candy corns I should use. Let's try this out with a 1/4 cup of candy corn. Let's stir this around. The candy corns are starting to melt a little bit. I don't know if this is going to end up being just a sticky disaster mess. It might be. So let's just cover this. All right, it's been about a minute or two. Let's see what's going on. It smells really good. Candy corn's still not very melted. It has a ways to go. It's just like a sticky mess right now. It's been another 2 minutes. Wow, this is turning into a bit of a melty mess in here. So instead of candy coated peanuts, we almost have like a candy corn peanut brittle happening. That's what it seems like to me, because it's really sticky. Look at how sticky this is. But the peanuts are coated now. The peanuts are all coated in the melted candy corn. I have to get some parchment paper, and I never want to touch hot sugar because it can really burn you. So let's just let this set for a while, and then we'll come back and see what happened. I'm going to add some salt to this because the peanuts I'm using are unsalted. And I think the salt will just help cut down on the candy corn sweetness or provide a contrast to it. Okay, it's been 10-15 minutes. I don't know. This has had a chance to cool off now. Let's see, is it stuck here? All right, so it's still a little bit warm, but as you can see, the candy corn hardened up again. So it melted and then it just hardened up again. So let's see if we could cut off a piece. So it's not as brittle as peanut brittle is. It's still kind of flexible because if you think of, candy corns, they're not brittle. It's very chewy. So it tastes like candy coated peanuts. I don't know if I would necessarily even know this was candy corn. I do think this would come out better if I used like the salted cocktail peanuts instead of dry roasted peanuts. I feel like the peanuts could use more flavor. Yeah, I think these would come out better if I used the cocktail peanuts that are kind of greasier and saltier. But anyway, that's how you can make like a peanut brittle type candy with peanuts and candy corn. So if you're a fan of peanut brittle, you might want to give this a try. Or if you're a fan of any kind of candy coated peanuts, it's really interesting. Maybe if this continues to cool, it'll harden up a little bit more. It's a little while later. These have cooled off quite a bit. And let's see now. Let's see if we break these open. Yeah, now these are much crisper, much more brittle. Still chewy though. Definitely pretty good. I'm trying to think of what these remind me of. Maybe like a Payday candy bar. That's kind of what they remind me of, but without the chocolate. But these would probably be really good with chocolate on them. The salt is definitely a welcome addition to this. And if I was to make this again, I would definitely use salted peanuts. So that's how you can make candy corn peanut brittle with this Nostalgia My Mini Skillet and Noodle Cooker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with these mini appliances. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.